Okay. And then for maybe the one person who's actually watching, the reason I have the fan is my house is really hot. So I'm sorry if it's harder for you to hear me. And I'm tired too. So I might mess up a few of my words. But overall, the bias here is really like. Oh, hold on. Whatever. It really looks like it just wants to like go down. Like it's like it's like whatever. 4 hour that has an obvious break of structure that wants to go down. So same for the 2 hour. Yep, break of structure right here. Yeah, it looks like it's making a retracement though. And then it's 1 hour. So tired. 1 hour. 1 hour is obviously bearish. That's bearish. That's bearish. Ideally, I'd want price to come down and like sweep this. But I think I figured out what I was doing wrong with these other trades here. With this one. This one I just got my bias wrong. I mean, I just kind of kept going down. It made higher high, then it just dropped. I mean, it looks like that's what I got wrong. I'm not too sure on that one, but I think that was pretty solid. This one right here, I got my bias right. Because it came up, then it gave me that drop like I was anticipating. But I didn't anticipate for how big it was going to be. So I don't know how I could avoid either of these. I'd say just look at the actual quality of the trade, and I don't know. I'll figure it out. But this, I don't know. I guess this is like a little bit of like a liquidity sweep. But since I'm looking to sell and price is kind of doing this, I'm waiting for price to, what is it, come up a little bit more, then I could sell. That's what I'm looking for. So that's why I have this equilibrium thing here. I'm trying to find the good spots. Ooh. Right here. Have a liquidity sweep. This right here. Same equilibrium. And since I already want it to go like up a little bit, what I could do is I could just take a trade off this. It'd be a shorter trade too. Yeah, so all these fair value gaps kind of got imbalanced already, or filled. Oh my gosh, they got filled already. This 3 minute. Misconfigured? Why? So I'm just kind of waiting for market to open now, which is in a minute. Okay. There you go. Let's market open. I guess I can put down this fair value gap. It could have the potential to be filled again. This really small 3-minute right here. There's an inverse right here, actually. There we go. I didn't even post it to my story. Hold on, I need to find the link. Okay, how do I... Oh, what is that? Bro, I'm so tired, bro. Damn. There we go. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Loki looks nice out. Ooh, we could have a sweep here. Right here. And then find something to have like a retracement on. It swept right here for sure. Yeah, it looks like that's what it wants to do. I could be tripping. But my bias was always bearish, so I'm bearish on the day. And if I come back and trade Asia session, it's going to be pretty clear. Dude, I keep saying that. I'm sorry if that gets annoying. Ooh. I think this is where it's going to go down. Because if we look here, this price right here, this move, that's almost the same size as that. It's off by 0.02%. So yeah, I think that liquidity sweep is valid. I'm gonna wait for a tap into this 1 minute. Then yeah, so I'm waiting for a tap. We got that break of structure. this candle closes soon. It just keeps dropping. So I'm waiting for a tap, then I'll probably target like down here, since I wanted to keep going down. Realistically, I'm going to enter probably somewhere around there. So New York already swept previous Asia session lows, which is like down here. It already swept that. And London swept out Asia. So I'm thinking New York has that retracement, then it comes down and it sweeps even farther. Or just kind of continues to go down farther. What is this? What color is this? Lunch. Inverse? No. So yeah, that 1 minute is kind of like all I got. Hello?
Hey.
What's up?
I'm just calling. It'd be easier than texting. Are you outside?
No.
Are you able to go outside?
To go outside? Yeah.
Okay. Can you walk out back to the AC unit? And it should be on. And I want to make sure the fan is running. If it's not, I'm going to have to turn it off again.
Okay, what am I doing?
You're looking at the AC unit.
So what am I watching out for?
Maybe set a timer for an hour and go back out there and let me know.
Okay. Okay, is that it?
Yeah.
Alright. Bye, mother.
Thanks, babe.
Alright, it's gonna be a few minutes. Dude, genuinely, I might play Roblox. This is so boring. I need something to keep me awake. And I already have Roblox on speed dial. Let me put that up there in the bag. Boom. Let me get rid of this. I don't like this. Dude, it says I have 2 viewers. Who is this other person? I'm actually like really curious. Cause I think the other person is on my phone. Or maybe it's a robot. It could be a robot. But yeah, this is the trade setup. Even if it doesn't come back, I know I got my bias right and I didn't lose any money, so I'm not complaining whatsoever. But yeah, obviously I'm just gonna dude, what? It's like a good game. These all look so boring. Be a planet? Dude, that's the most boring thing ever, bro. I like this. We'll try this one out. Oh my gosh, I'm losing my mind. I don't like this. I don't have a gun. Spin a femboy? That's crazy. Okay, you guys are gonna have to give me a second here. Yeah, I don't know if the price is ever gonna come back. Did it for this last time? No. I mean, it really didn't. Let's check for this last time. There's nothing it really swept. I guess this. I guess that swept. But yeah, nothing that I'm seeing got like tapped back into. It's a head and shoulders pattern, guys. Where is it? That's how you're able to pinpoint exactly where the market's gonna go down. Support zone. Am I gonna make all my profits back with this? Look at that. Picture perfect. Wow. That's like actually one of the first few times that I've seen a head and shoulders pattern like actually play out. Look at that. It's pretty clean too. Okay, what do I do? This. Yeah, it looks like nothing really like tapped back into it. Except for this right here, it just wicked. You wick this order block. Or no, that would be the order block. Yeah. So this is the order block. This is the inverse. Inverse fair value. Yeah, I guess it did have that. But this is just, I don't know, it's kind of taking off without me. You know what? I'm gonna see if I can find like a day trading thing here. Roblox exchange. Let's see this. I got dividends. Dude. Bro, what is this? How much money do I have? Oh. Stratton Oakmont? Dude. Vanguard. Market makers, not Vanguard. Okay. Should I make BlackRock? New York Stock Exchange. Okay. I think I'd contribute greatly to Vanguard. Not Vanguard. Invite only? That sucks. Whatever. $40%? Dude. I hope that's not real life. Purchase the trading license in the skill tree. Where is that at? I'm making minimum wage. Make 3 profitable trades. How do I can't even look at my licenses. Okay. Okay, what's the Roblox index fund? Dude, can I like zoom out? Whoa, okay. So it's hard to see, but we might have a break of structure. If it breaks above, I'm gonna enter. But we do have a liquidity sweep, and we have 2 fair value gaps here. So if I could short, I'm waiting for price to tap back into here, and then I'm gonna short. Oh hell no, that's 15 minutes. I don't want to do that. Is that it? I don't know if that's a liquidity sweep. That is right here, and we have that tap back in. So yeah, I should have already been in, but I think I might buy shares. How many shares? Buy. Give me 3 shares. What if I sold? What is this? %0 win rate? No, I'm gonna have a good win rate, watch. I'm literally him at this. What did I buy it at? 1078. Let's look for something else. Top performing. I want like some like crazy thing. What about break a bone or something? Broken bones. Whatever. Nano stocks. Dude, this is actually crazy, bro. I'm able to day trade Roblox pairs. That's actually insane. Please donate in this game. Honestly, I might could buy. Dude, these games look so like boring. I wanna like, what is this? Own a restaurant. Arsenal. Dude, I hate Arsenal. I don't know the recipes. Dude, like librarian. If this is a game about me being a librarian, I'll probably buy this one since it's down. We got, what is it? Big move down. Yeah, it looks like it wants to go back up. 15-minute. No, it looks like it's gonna go down still. I don't know. It's really choppy. I'll probably enter in how many shares. I only have 940 bucks. Okay. I think that's as much as I'm gonna get. Portfolio. So if I sell it now, I'd make what, like $4? Bull, okay. It's actually giving me something. I'm confused on this though. Why does it say the session is misconfigured? I'm crypto and trading, that's what I'm doing. Yeah, no, honestly, I might not even post this one unless I start like actually trading. Because right now it's not really doing much. And I need to go at like 10:20. So I guess I got like 20 more minutes to at least enter. So from what it looks like, we have a liquidity sweep, like right here. Then we have, that's a sweep. We got this beautiful fair value gap. Tap back into it. I don't want to take it. I actually do, but I'm not going to, because everything is still bearish. Yeah, everything is still bearish, so I'm not going to enter into that. But if I was to enter, I would enter in right now. That, yep, below that. Target up there. Alright, technically, I'm in. Technically. The one trade I don't take, it's gonna hit take profit. Dude. I'm happy I didn't take it. Yeah, it should start making higher highs, higher lows. But if I do actually enter, I'll post it up to my story. I'm gonna, I'm gonna stream during Asia session. I can explain how or why I won. Dude, I actually think I had like a really good reel yesterday. That John only got 13 views. I lost 310 seconds. No, I didn't. That was that morning. So that Asia session, I lost another trade. I'm on a bad streak, but I lost a trade. So last time I streamed was Asia session yesterday. I lost a trade, but I was confident in it. I was like super confident in it. So that's why I lost. And then I made a clip out of it, and that zone only got 13 views. But I don't know, I think this is fun. I'm just gonna keep doing this. There's I don't know, nothing else I'm gonna do. There's nothing else I would be doing. I need to figure this out. Misconfigure. How? Dude, I'm too tired for this. I can't do this. Honestly, this is getting kind of annoying. Yeah, bro. the one trade I don't take, I'd be up maybe 500 right now or something. That's so annoying. Oh my gosh, that's annoying. Yeah, bro. Oh my gosh, that pissed me off. So if price is gonna keep going down, I want to sell at the bottom right here. Or I want my take profits to be at the bottom here. But yeah, based on this 30-minute, what it looks like on the 30-minute, it looks like it had that pullback. It had this pullback, and then it sold, and then it pulled back, and then I think after that second pullback, it's gonna go down. Like right here, we had this pullback. Price went down, not as big of a pullback, but then it, came back down. So yeah, I'm looking for price to at least sweep like right there, but just to be safe, I have it on the bottom right here, just in case it doesn't. But yeah, the one trade that I don't take, it hits full take profit. That's amazing. Whenever it hits the alarm, that's gonna hit take profit. Dude, genuinely, I might do the Wordle again. I want to do the Wordle. Dude, it's another freaking confusing word. I can't figure this out. Bro, this pisses me off. I've been losing for 2 weeks, and the trade I don't take, it's now going exactly where I want it to go. This is pissing me off. Wait, no, I'm not supposed to be emotional. Sorry. Yeah. Whoops. I'm very happy that the one trade that I don't take, it's not going straight to stop loss. Yeah. He's literally edging me on, bro. Come on. I'm not even in the trade. Yeah, there we go. This is so annoying. So, 2 weeks of losing almost every single trade. Almost. All for this one trade. to be probably the most beautiful trade I've ever taken. But if this gives me like a doji or something, I'm gonna enter in. That looks like it's what it's providing. So I'm risking 300, stop loss at 562. There we go. That might be tight. That might be a tight stop loss. Yeah, I like this. I like this right here. 562.5. Hold on. Henry joined? Oh shoot. Yo, billionaire Henry coming in? Yes sir. Bro, you probably came in from my Instagram story. I finally got somebody from that. But if it gives me a doji, I'm gonna enter. If it closes as a doji, it needs to close. I'm not gonna enter off of nothing. It needs to close as like a big doji. And we might have that like right here. So margin looks good. Is that considered a doji? I think I might do it anyway. 625, yeah. Oh no, that's scary. That's scary right there. I don't know if I want to do that. Okay, I'm in. Dude. Oh, yeah, I need to put a take profit. $1,000. Okay. So I'm confident in this. If I lose, whatever. If I hit take profit, whatever. This is a paper trading account. I'm not too worried about it. But honestly, I need to go in like 20 minutes. So if this hits stop loss or take profit, whichever one it hits first, I'm gonna do my little video on it. Every time I trade, I always put a video on it. So, dude, no. I'm actually so mad right. I'm so mad right now. If this goes straight to stop loss, bro. That's funny. Henry's watching me. Maybe. He's watching me. He's watching me lose. This is disappointing, bro. If this was my other stop loss, what was it? 52? No, 60. I think it was like 60 something. 64? That would have been pretty close to stopping me out. It already is pretty close. Gosh. Oh, this is making me like actually so mad. Yep, that's stop loss right there. This is so aggravating, bro. Bro, just stop me out already, bro. Please. Just stop me out. Just stop me out. I'm sick of sitting here anticipating this, bro. Stop me out. Thank you. There we go. Fuck. I genuinely hate this, bro. I'm doing something wrong. Because the one that I don't take, it hits, what is it? Take profit perfectly. Bro, Bro, I honestly might just get off now. Honestly. This is pissing me off. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Alright. See you for Asia session.